Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 13, Update on Windows 10 and Excel 2016 Part 3. Pivot Table Enhancement. When you have a lots of data, it can sometimes be difficult to analyze all of the information in your worksheet. Pivot tables can help make your worksheets more manageable by summarizing your data and allowing you to manipulate it in a different ways. Pivot table enhancements helps to calculate over millions of rows with high speed. Fortunately, a pivot table can instantly calculate and summarize the data in a way that will make it much easier to read when we are done. The pivot table will look something like this. Once you have created a pivot table, you can use it to answer different questions by rearranging or pivoting the data. For example, let's say we wanted the answer, what is the total amount sold in each month? Now student, to create a pivot table, select the table or cells, including column headers, you want to include in your pivot table. From the Insert tab, click the Pivot Table command. The Create Pivot Table dialog box will appear. Choose your settings, then click OK. Now, in our example, we'll use the table 1 as our source data and place the pivot table on a new worksheet. A blank pivot table and field list will appear on a new worksheet. Once you create a pivot table, you'll notice to decide which fields to add. Each field is simply a column header from the source data. In the pivot table field list, check the box for each field you want to add. Now, we want to know the total amount sold by each salesperson. So, we'll check the salesperson and order amount fields. Okay. The selected fields will be added to one of the 4 areas below. Now, in our example, the salesperson field has been added to the rows area while order amount has been added to values. Alternatively, you can drag the drop fields directly into the desired area. The pivot table will calculate and summarize the selected fields. In our example, the pivot table shows the amount sold by each salesperson. Just like with normal spreadsheets, you can sort the data in a pivot table using the Sort and Filter command on the Home tab. You can also apply the type of number formatting you want. One of the best things about the pivot tables is that they can quickly pivot or recognize your data, allowing you to examine your worksheet in several ways. Pivoting data can help you answer different questions and even experiment with your data to discover new trends and patterns. Share your document by email. Instead of saving and sharing your document directly from the cloud, you can share a copy or send a link by email. In the top right corner above the ribbon, click Share. Save your document in OneDrive. If it's not already there, enter email addresses of the people you want to share with and make choices for permission you want to allow. Type a message if you want and click Send. The people you are sharing with will get mail from you with a link to your document. Thank you.